How to send photos or videos on Signal. Are you guys facing issue to send a photo or video on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's get started. To send a photo or video on Signal application, open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, tap on the chat where you want to send the media. At the bottom left corner of the screen, tap the camera icon to take a new photo or video instantly, or tap the gallery icon to choose the photo from your phone existing media. Select the photos or videos you want to send, and you can also add a caption if you like. Once ready, tap send icon on the right. The file will be delivered instantly and securely with Signal's end-to-end encryption. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. That's it guys, that's how you're going to send a photo or videos on Signal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.